What does it mean to relaunch peace in our world today? In a time when conflict divides nations and communities, Salesians are called to be builders of peace, starting from within our own hearts and communities. Peace isn't just the absence of war, it's the presence of love, understanding, and hope. In our Salesian communities, we must first cultivate peace among ourselves. We pray for our provincials and rectors that they may lead with peaceful hearts. We pray for our brothers and sisters in war zones. Let us relaunch peace, transforming our Salesian presences into beacons of hope for the world.